Welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai. As for today, I would like to share with you a simple recipe which we used to serve as breakfast or also for tea. And we call this is fancy lace pancake. Let's see the ingredients. Milk, flour, salt, oil, egg, turmeric powder. What we need to do is we just add everything inside this blender. Add the milk, egg, salt, turmeric powder. This is to give the yellow coloring, or if you want to use yellow coloring also you can do so. And I'm going to add in some of the flour. I'm going to add in some of the flour and I'm going to blend this first. Blend further. I'm going to put this inside this bottle, which already have caps shaped like this. But if you don't have any at your house, you can always use mineral water bottle, and the cap you just make holes, about 3 or 4 holes. You can make use of that also by doing the fancy lace pancake. So now first I need to brush some oil on my pan here and also on the plate, because so that the pancake doesn't stick. Pan. The traditional way how we do the fancy lace pancake is normally we use banana leaves and we shape it into cones and fill up with the batter, and we just drip it around inside the pan. But now it's all modern. You can buy this, you can get it very easily anywhere from the provision shop, and we just fill up here and we just press it onto the pan. Okay. Now what you need to do is you just swirl the batter like this. And let it cook. The traditional way, we always use strip pine leaves where we cut at the edge and dip to oil, or even lemongrass. You can use lemongrass also. And what you need to do is just that. Once you see the pancake give way, that shows that it's done. The pancake give way like this, so you just take it and put it, flip it this side. And what you need to do now, you can do, there's 2 ways of doing it. Once I'm doing the traditional way, where we just fold this in half and form into a triangle. roll into half, then shape it into triangle. I'm going to do another shape where we just rolled it. And what you need to do is you just fold this inside. Just rolled. And you can continue doing further, either shape you wish. It's my fancy lace pancakes. There are two designs, as I said earlier, the triangle one and the rolled one. So you can choose which one you want to do. And for those who wish to try, please don't forget to watch, subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai and press the bell button.